Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Friends, how are you all? Hope so you all will be fine by the grace of Allah Almighty. Students, in our previous lecture, we have studied the definition of equivalent set, equal set and universal set. And also in previous lecture, we have solved question number 1 and 2 of exercise 1D. In today's lecture, we will solve question number 3, 4. So let's start question number 3, that is make a list of the pairs of set which are equal from the following. So students, we have already studied that equal sets are which have same number of elements and the elements in the sets are also same. Students, in question number 3 and the given parts, we will see either the given sets are equal or not. How we can see or check that given sets are equal or not? We will see the number of elements in both sets are equal. If equal, then in next step we will see either the elements are same or not. If both conditions satisfied, then our given set would be equal. So here is students, part number 1 is a is equal to 2 3 4, b is equal to 3 4 5. You can see that in set a the number of elements are 3, in set b the number of elements are also 3. So first condition is satisfied, number of elements in both sets are same. Now move towards the second condition, that either the elements are same or not. So here is 2 3 5 and here is 3 4 5. 3 4 are same but the digit 2 and 5 is not same. So second condition is not satisfied, means set A and B didn't have the same elements, so it is not an equal set. Students, we can write it as set A is not equal to the set B. Let's move towards the part number 2, which is A is equal to the set 1 4 9 and set B is equal to the set 12 22 and 32. Students, in set A number of elements are 3, in set B number of elements are also 3. It means first condition is satisfied. So now let's check either the elements are same or not. In set A the elements are 1 4 9, in set B the elements are 12 22 and 32. So in set A and B the elements didn't match, are not same, so it is not an equal set. A does not equals to B. Both the sets are not equal. Let's move towards the part number 3, which is A is equal to A, B, C, D, E and B set is equal to set of the vowels of English alphabet. Students, in set A the number of elements are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Number of elements are 5. Student, set B is represented in descriptive form and the vowels are A, E, I, O, U, which is also 5. So first condition is satisfied, that the number of elements in both sets are same, but we have to check either the elements are same or not. Here is A, B, C, D, E, but in set B the vowels are A, E, I, O, U, so the elements didn't match. We can write here as set A does not equal to the set B. Let's move towards the part number 4, which is A is equal to the set 2, B is equal to the set of even primes. Student, set of even primes is just 2. So in both sets the number of elements are 1 and the number of elements is same. Elements are also same. So I can write here A is equal to the set B. Students, next part number 5 is A is equal to the multiples of 7 less than 30. Multiples of 7 less than 30 would be 7, 14, 21, 28. And set B is equal to 14, 21 and 28. In set A, the number of elements are 4, that are 7, 14, 21, 28, which is less than 30 and also the multiples of 7. In set B, the number of elements are 3. First condition is not satisfied and second condition would also be not satisfied, as the number of elements in both sets are not equal. So these sets A and B are not equal. I am writing here A is not equal to the set B. Students, sixth part is A is equal to the set 0 and B is equal to empty set. Students, in set A, number of elements is 1. In set B, here is no number of element as it is called empty set. In empty set, there is no element. You can see number of elements in both sets A and B are not equal. So, it is also not an equal set. So, let's write A does not equals to the set B. Students, part number 7 is A is equal to ABC, B is equal to CBA. You can see in set A number of elements are 3, in set B number of elements are also 3. So first condition satisfied. Now let's check either the elements are same or not. Here are the elements A, B, C. Here is also A, B, C. It doesn't depend the arrangement of the elements. You can see in both sets the elements are same. So A is equal to B. A set equals to B. These sets are equal. Next part is part number 8. A is equal to the set NILE. B is equal to MILE. In both sets you can see that the number of elements are 4, which is same. Now check that either the elements are same or not. Here ILE and in this set ILE, both these three elements are same, but N and M alphabet is not same. So set A and B is not equal. Both the sets are not equal. A does not equals to B. Next part number 9 is A is equal to the set EAT and B is equal to TEA. Students, in both these sets number of elements are same. Now check that either the elements are also same. EAT. You can see that in both sets elements are also same. So A is equal to the set B. Both sets are equal. Part number 10 is A is equal to X such that X is an even number less than 4. Less than 4, the even number is just one, that is 2. And set B is equal to 2. Students, in both these sets number of elements is 1 and also the element is same, that is 2. So it is A is equal to the set B. So both sets are equal. Students, part number 11 is A is equal to the sets SMQ, B is equal to MQS. In both sets the number of elements are same. Also you can see that the elements is also same. So both the sets are equal. We can write it as A is equal to the set B. Students, we have completed our part number 3. So let's move towards the question number 4, that is make a list of equivalent sets from the following. Students, we know that what are equivalent sets? Equivalent sets are those in which number of elements are same. So part number 1 is A is equal to the set RIFE and B is equal to the set FIRE. In set A, the number of elements you can see these are 4. In set B, the number of elements are also 4. Both the sets have same number of elements, so these sets are equivalent sets. I have write it here equivalent set. Part number 2 is C is equal to the set CAR and D is equal to the set ARCS. You can see that the number of elements are not same, so these sets are not equivalent set. Let's move towards the part number 3, that is E is equal to the set ABC and F is equal to the set X, Y and Z. In both these sets the number of elements are same, that is 3. So these sets are equivalent set. I am writing here equivalent set. Part number 4 is G is the set of counting numbers less than 13. Students, we know that less than 13 the counting numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And age is the set of number of months in a year. In a year, we know that in a year number of months are 12. Students, in set G, counting numbers are 12, and in set H, the number of months in a year is also 12. So both have the same number of elements. So it is equivalent set. I am writing here equivalent set. Part number 5 is the set I is equal to 555, 555 and J is equal to 5, 5, 5, 5, 5 and 5. In set I, the number of elements are 1, 2, 3. In set J, number of elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Both these sets didn't have same number of elements, so these sets are not equivalent sets. Okay students, do practice of question number 3 and 4. Allah Hafiz.